Hi my foodies, it's CiCi here. Chinese New Year is just right around the corner. It is on February 12th this year. I just want to wish everyone a very happy Chinese New Year. And to celebrate this special holiday, I'm partnering with Knorr this month, and I'll be sharing with you some quintessential Chinese New Year dishes. And today we'll be making Shao Pork Belly. To celebrate Chinese New Year, Knorr is going to have an awesome sweepstakes. From January 5th to January 31st, there will be 10 winners, and those lucky winners will get 1,000 worth of kitchen supplies, including a high-quality cast iron induction cooker and a super amazing gift basket. To enter the sweepstakes, use Knorr kitchen broth mix, Knorr liquid seasoning, or Knorr bouillon cubes, and cook your family's favorite Chinese New Year dish. Take a picture of this amazing dish and upload it to Knorr's website. I will put the link in the description box. In a large pot over high heat, add water in it, and place the thoroughly cleaned pork belly in the pot. Bring water to a boil and continue to cook for about 10 minutes. This will help to remove its blood, impurity, and gamey taste. Now we're going to discard the water and rinse the pork belly. And we can trim off the extra parts. Cut the pork belly into 1-inch cubes. In the same pot over high heat, add 4 cups of water in it, and we're gonna season with Shaoxing wine, Knorr liquid seasoning. You can use Knorr liquid seasoning for even tastier and more sumptuous dishes, dark soy sauce, and Knorr pork bouillon. Set aside. To make the syrup, over medium-low heat, add the water and rock sugar. Cook until the sugar is melted and the liquid is very sticky. Now we're going to carefully add the extra light olive oil. You can also use other high smoking point oil. And continue to stir until the syrup is lightly brown for about 3 minutes. So this syrup will give our pork belly its beautiful red shade. We're gonna pour the syrup into the pot and whisk. In another pot over medium heat, add the extra light olive oil and the pork belly. Stir fry until lightly browned, about 3 minutes. Now we're gonna add in the garlic, cinnamon, star anise, and dry tangerine peel. Cook until aromatic, 2 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna pour in the stock that we just made. Cover the lid. Bring it to a boil and then immediately turn to low heat and just let it simmer for about 1 hour. Okay, so before serving, uncover the lid and turn to high heat to reduce the sauce for about 5 minutes. Wow, look at that pork belly right there. It looks so amazing. The fatted part instantly melts inside your mouth, and the leaner part is super tender. Oh, it's just full of flavor. It's so good, so good. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you again next Friday for another awesome Chinese New Year dish. So I'll see you again next Friday. Bye for now.